It's here. Reach. Finally, off-white dunk, Nike. Captured. It's here. Right here inside this box, we have the off-white dunk from Nike. I don't know which lot we have. We're going to find out which lot we have. I have no idea. So let's open this, do some unboxing. See it there, sign official with the Nike tape. Just do it. We're going to find out together which lot we got. Alright, so first off, we got my ratchet. Everybody know this as a Jamaican. Have to have a 3-star ratchet. 3-star ratchet, open boxes. A lot more than boxes. Let's go. I don't know. Guess which lot I have. I have no idea. You just figure it out. Alright. One. Kind of make you nervous though. Just to check which lot you have. Nobody really know. Slightly nervous. We're going to find out how much money this is going to make us. Lot 50, lot 1, which one? See, unboxing here. See it there. Fresh out the box. That's for the box. Boom. Fresh. Off-white dunk. See there. Fresh off-white dunk. Nothing else. This is the original from Nike themselves. Gotta win on the sneakers app. EA exclusive access. First time ever get exclusive access. Let's check it out. Here you can see Nike Sportswear, Beaverton, Oregon, all that fun stuff. Style number DJ0A9, FA29, code N2. I guess I got season 21. Maybe that's lot 21. I don't know. Oh, here it is. It's marked right here. Right there. This is what? Lot 8. That's a lot 8 for you. Original lot 8. What else on this side? See, raise the price right here. You can see all that stuff. Price is raised. We know how much for it. All right. So let's unbox this. Let's look how this look. First up, before we even get to that, you can see all the holes here. You can kind of see through here where all the holes are, little circles, and all that fun stuff. On the front of the box, Nike got that swoosh. You can feel the swoosh. It's like use a Sharpie and dry it in. And on the side here, they have kind of some fake tape. I don't think you can really take that off, but it just looks good. And it on the bottom too. And on here, you see numbers 1 to 50. Nice and easy. On the back, nothing important, nothing interesting, just the usual Nike stuff. Then in here, you can see the tape. So, let's go. See what we got here. Alright, top comes all the way off. It's not a flip top. On here you can see nice Nike packaging, off-white branding on off-white branding. Got one. It is nice and easy. No creasing. Got double layer wrapping. This is beautiful. Look at that. Woo! Just look at that. Anybody see that? This now, see? Them give you the Jamaican color, red, gold and green. What they go like gold and green. Them know me a Jamaican, so them give me exclusive Jamaican color off-white dunk. This is for all the Jamaican people out there. See there? Lot 08. Number 08 is on camera. No fake, nothing like that. And see, we got the off-white on the side here. Off-white, Beaverton, all that stuff. This is different than all the others because this is in silver. It's not in black like most other ones. And here you have your off-white tag. There's nothing really on this. It just says lot 8. It's really hard to see what it says on that. It just says lot 8. Then you got the original off-white shoes lace. And then you got these overlacing. I don't like the overlacing, so I'm gonna see if I can take the overlacing out or maybe change the overlacing up a little bit, but these are classic. I don't even know if I need to sell these or wear these or whatever, but this is beautiful. Check it out. Original look, off-white, beaver tan classic. On the back you have regular Nike stuff on the back. This I got bad when I drop this on my foot, you know. Bad thing, mad thing, mad thing. See, we got the red in the tongue and we got the holes in the tongue cut out. This a bad piece of shoes. Here we got the second pair. Nice. Second foot. Looking good. Similar details. All good. Drop that back in. Cover that. Let's go back in the box just like that. See how much money we can work on with this. This smell like money. Brand new. Smell the leather. Yeah, back up in the box, nice and easy. That's the review of the Nike Off-White Dunk Lot 8. Here it is, sign and seal.